Hi everyone, this is Muhammad. I want to discuss a EURUSD trading idea that came to you last Thursday. Another one followed on Friday morning from Anne. The overall trend of the market on the H1 and H4 time frames was down. Without a clear strategy for a sell trade to follow this trend, it was simpler to make a plan for a pullback which goes against the trend, even though we were not expecting a high risk-reward ratio. We marked a point of interest, or POI, on the H1 time frame when we saw a candle that moved against the last downward candle and closed higher. After that, we went down to the M5 time frame to plan our entry point. Here, we saw a small choke and a liquidity sweeper, as well as a good fair value gap or imbalance. In my view, this was the perfect situation to place a buy order. However, we weren't hoping for a high risk-reward ratio because we know that we are trading against the trend. So my goal for taking profit was set at 1.08048. And why this exact point? Because this was the newest imbalance that we thought the market would cover before continuing downward. Let's see what happened next. The price did return to this level, and the pending order was triggered, but sadly, the stop loss was hit. Later on, the price rose again for a pullback. And then it fell all the way down to clear out the last liquidity on M5 before rising again and forming the previous setup. This new situation showed us liquidity, a change of character, and an imbalance, and shared this second entry in the group, and it was a success. At first, her initial trade hit the stop loss with this candle chosen as her order block. She then marked the extreme end of this candle as her OB and achieved a 1:14 risk-reward ratio. She did manage to make another trade based on this candle for a 1:16 ratio. In just few hours, she had 30 RR from 2 trades, even with 1 loss. I want to point out that even if a plan looks perfect and checks all the boxes, sometimes the price does not follow it, just like in this EU. Sometimes the market gives you a second chance, or sometimes the plan does not work at all. For a comparison, let's look at the similar plan with the gold. It had all the same requirements and followed our plan, and it was successful right away. Remember, regardless the end result, to make a safe and effective trading setup, first, find a point of interest or POI from a higher time frame, and second, go to a lower time frame, find liquidity, a change of character, an imbalance, and then place your buy or sell pending order. If you are trading based on the main trend, you can aim for the last high or low of a higher time frame. However, if you are trading against the trend for a pullback, I would suggest taking a suitable risk-reward ratio as you have seen. Even though Anne traded against the trend, she still achieved 30 RR from 1 pair. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will do my best to make more videos, guys, but please bear with me as I am new to make videos and really takes time for me. So even 5 to 10 minutes video can take a bit of time to put together. So thank you so much for your patience and understanding. If you are interested in trading using the smart money concept, I recommend you to join our community where each member shares their views on pairs. My wife and I also do our best to share setups daily when we find a good opportunity. To join our community, you can find the link in the description. Thank you so much.